Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the current Python release so you know what to change. Run Python version or Python 3 version now. Next, choose the exact target version such as 3, 8, 10, and note whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux because installers differ. Once done, back up your projects and export installed packages with pip freeze rec txt so you can restore them later. Make sure to close IDEs and stop services using Python before proceeding to installation steps. Now install the chosen version using the tool appropriate for your OS. On Mac OS or Linux, prefer pyenv install 3, 8, 10, then pyenv global 3, 8, 10 because it isolates versions. On Windows, use the official installer or pyenv-win and ensure the path or the Python launcher points to the new version. After installation, create a virtualenv or venv per project, activate it, and run pip install rrec txt so dependencies match. Make sure shell sessions are restarted to pick up. Finally, verify the downgrade by running Python version and pip list inside each environment, then run your test suite to confirm behavior. If you still see the old version, check and edit path entries or call the full path to the desired Python executable. Windows users can use py-3, 8m pip. If packages fail to install due to compilation, install system build tools or choose compatible binary wheels. One tip: if something breaks, revert by activating backups and comparing requirements files to restore state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.